If you are building an iOS application and you want inspiration from open source project, then this video will help you to get that list of that open source projects which are famous, and you can use this for your inspiration. So let's get into the video. So right now you can see I have this particular list which I will also link into the GitHub description, in the description as well as in the comment. But you can see this is all the list, like how we use them, high example iOS apps. So for example, which participates in Google Summer of Code. You don't need to worry about what is Google Summer of Code, what is written in SwiftUI. Majority of them are written in SwiftUI, so you need to open them one by one. So maybe let's open this CC iOS. And you can see in this particular application, like this looks like a child interface, and you can take inspiration on how to build this particular application by following the code. And you can see this, it is written in Swift as well, so you can do that. And again, I have this favorite project from this particular open source list, and that is Reddit in SwiftUI. So you can see how to build the Reddit client. So Reddit has their own API. So how to do the all the API serialization and directly converting it into Swift client. So this type of code will help you understand how to do that. And you can see this is a cross-platform code. So it syncs with MacBook, it syncs with iPhone, and it syncs with Apple Watch. So you can understand how to do that, how it is working, how it is shared, and what symbols are used here. So this is again a great way to build cross-platform application using SwiftUI, and how to use API and all. So this project will help you understand that. So yep, this list is very commendable. So you can see, so we have covered this one, we have covered this one, then another one is this one, which is again uses GitHub API. So if you're something working with GitHub APIs and you want to build on top of it something, so you can see how to do that. And again, this gives the references on how to do that, how data flows through SwiftUI, building custom queues in SwiftUI, and how to use combine and all. So yep, you can see this part. And again, you can go here, you can see the code. This is again 6 year old code, but still you can take inspiration on how they have built it and convert it into Swift UI. And after that, you have this SwiftUI nodes, which actually use combine and UI kit and SwiftUI both. So again, it is an old code, but you can take inspiration on how it actually built from architectural point of view. So earlier I have talked about how to build cross-platform, how to use APIs. This one is again how to use your models, your local database and all. So you will get difference from that. So you can see they have given all the installation step, and after you have installed, you can do that. And for the link, they are using npm. So I think, let's see, it is ready insert. You can verify that, and you can just get started to understand how to do it. So you can go to the contributing to understand how to do that. So yeah, this is it. And last repository I have, which is again very important. So when you build something complex, you need to understand something called MVVM architecture, and this particular repository will teach you what exactly is model view model architecture. So even I'm not very pro at this particular point of time, but I know what is MVVM architecture and how complex it can become once your app grows. So you need to understand how to convert into that. So this particular example, this particular application will help you understand how MVVM looks in code. So although technically Blackjack does not require any API service per se, the JSON data does emulate it to an extent. And yeah, they have done it to give you an example of how MVVM works. And again, it is 4 years ago. So this is again a old code, but again, you will get understanding that how to build the architecture point of view. So yeah, this GitHub repository has all the repositories. I filtered all the 5 repository which you can see, and yeah, this will help you understand. And also, if you want some push notification, so you can do this particular application which actually covers the code how to send push notifications. So the best way to learn from anything is AI, and if AI gives you any problem, then GitHub repository, the old open source code, and giving those code as a reference to AI, then asking it to build something for your own use case, it will generate a more accurate result. So that's why understanding open source project is also important to build a great application which requires iOS hardware access, or maybe which requires system requirements a lot. So that's why we need to learn all of this. So this is it, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.